Are you trying to sleep with someone that sounds like a chainsaw? Does snoring keep you awake or keep you apart? If you live with someone that snores, you know it is no joke. It disrupts sleep and can even wreck relationships. But is there anything that can be done to stop snoring? Yes, there is. Introducing the My Snoring Solution. Having been featured on the television program My American Medical Review, My Snoring Solution is a chin strap and has become a popular way to help prevent snoring and could be the answer to all your snoring problems. Snoring is caused by a narrow airway, which causes the loud sound when the walls of the throat start to vibrate. It continuously interrupts and prevents a deep, restful sleep, and it can be very unhealthy. My Snoring Solution chin strap works by holding your jaws in a slightly forward position in order to keep your airways open during sleep. You don't have to wear it inside like a mouthguard, but rather you wear it around your jaw from the outside. It works immediately to stop your snoring from the moment you put it on. No more poking and shoving to try and get him or her to roll over and stop snoring. No more interrupted sleep. You'll never prevent your spouse from falling asleep again, guaranteed. Not only will you stop snoring instantly, but you'll also wake up feeling rested and refreshed. If you are not sure if My Snoring Solution is for you, then at byebyesnoring.com, we provide a 100% unbiased review of the My Snoring Solution chin strap based on unbiased users' feedback. My Snoring Solution. Is it your snoring solution too? For more information and a full review of the product, visit byebyesnoring.com today or click the link below.